What's going on, y'all? How are you? What's up? What's up? This is Kathy McReynolds, your fun, money, and skill coach, guys. I had to hop on here and talk to you about the buzz that's around. I've been hearing so many people, I think because it's, summer's ending, fall's beginning, the kids are back to school, and so people now are starting to really focus on their business. See, I work with entrepreneurs, network marketers, and the goal is to help them to grow your business. I want to help you grow your business. I want to help you get more recruits, get more customers, build that confidence up in you, but most importantly, you gotta have fun while you're getting it done. I just think, you know what, it's just important to make that happen. I remember coming up in the business and we had a blast. We had a blast through every rejection. We had a blast through building. It was fun. It was tough, but it was fun because we all got rejected together. And so now you hear so many people say that you can't build online. You do that. You get so many upline leaders telling you that. So, guys, I believe you can build wherever you're at. It doesn't matter where you're at. It's that decision that you make that you want to grow your business. So I put together these series of boot camps. It's called Boss Up Boot Camp. And I want to help some people, take their business to that level where they decide they wanted to take it at. And sometimes you just need that extra help, that extra push to say, please believe in me and help me get to where I want to be. I'm tired of pestering, bugging, my friends, my family, and I'm getting rejection and they're looking at me and I'm spending money and nothing is working. There's an answer for you, and we have that answer to help you. So what we're going to do is we're going to have some webinars, and the webinars will talk to you about our Boss Up Bootcamp series. It's going to tell you about the one that's coming up next week that you can hop in for 21 days, where we're going to help you get more customers. We're going to help you get more recruits and more confidence to know that yes, you made the right decision. Yes, you can win at doing a home-based business, network marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever you're doing. We're going to show you some things that you want to do online, automation, some duplication. We're going to show you, give you some tips and techniques on recruiting and closing and how to get your business working for you. I always laugh. I think when I first came online a couple years ago, somebody was talking to me then about, you don't have to do all of that. You can automate things. And I was like, no, that's the thrill of the hunt. I want to, because I was top recruiter, #1 recruiter in one company, and always recruited a lot of people. So I'm like, that's all I knew, is that you just grind it out. You make $100 a day and you get it done. And when I made a decision, because I was listening to what was happening out there, I was like, wow, I absolutely love this. You can actually build a business and also create a lifestyle at the same time. So I just want to share with you what I know and help you grow your business, get some more recruits, get some more sales, get some more customers, and just be confident to know that what you're feeling is real and what you're gonna feel is even better. So when you just go ahead, click the button down below or check in the comments, because I don't know which one it is right now, but go ahead and get registered for the boot camp, and let's help you change your life. Let's help you get that life that you desire so you can go out and have some fun and enjoy life and spend time with your family and do the things that you want to do, create those memories. All right, y'all, it's Kathy McReynolds. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar and in boot camp. All right, let's boss up boot camp, baby. Let's do it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.